It is considered that creating video is something near to the black magic, or Chinese grammar, or quantum mechanics. But today everything has changed. What's going on, guys? This is Val from PitchGround. I've been hooked on the video since I was a kid. It's always been a miracle to me, and still it is, how that simple sequence of still images could change people's life. Now, lately video is used as a marketing tool a lot. I'm not talking about industrial scale, Hollywood-grade commercials, million-dollar budgets. It's about videos for startups, solopreneurs, influencers, etc. Now, to create a decent video, you would need a camera, lighting setup, a powerful computer, microphone, pricey software, and all that stuff. Or you just go ahead and hire a guy like me who owns all this. But this is not the case when you create video content on a daily basis, because this is gonna cost you. Today you have all that here on your smartphone, and you get some extra stuff like a table tripod, some cheap ring lights for $10, and you have a studio. But still you need to spend some time shooting a few takes, then editing it, maybe color grading, adding music. FlexClip is a tool that I wanted to show you today. Allows you to create incredible videos without even shooting them. Select from tons of categories or use a search tool to find the template you want, or create your own from scratch. You can use a storyboard mode, which is really streamlined, or go with the classic timeline approach, which most video editing software use. Here in the dashboard you can select a template, upload media or record one, add animated text, search for royalty-free stock B-rolls, photos and music, and add animated and static elements, backgrounds and watermarks. The interface is intuitive and straightforward, even a kid could handle it. Now that FlexClip eliminates all that video editing and motion design hassle, you can focus on creativity and create something incredible. Just like in any professional video editing software, you can do color correction, add filters, adjust speed, and when you've done, export your work of art as a GIF or a video. And here's something I want you guys to keep in mind. This can help you make your video truly impactful, a secret sauce. It seems obvious, but often it's so easy to get distracted by the incredible effects, stunning footage and other fluff. You need to tell a story. Even if it's something really basic, always try to put a good story inside. I firmly believe that that's the main reason why anybody may want to watch your video. Even though you think of video just like yet another powerful marketing tool, there is still room for a miracle. Now go to pitchground.com, get yourself a copy of FlexClip and get creative. That's pretty much it, guys. Let's keep growing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.